Alhamdulillah, today is the 20th of Ramadan 2025 and it is raining in Makkah. I just arrived in Makkah and now it started to rain in Makkah. I had left Malaysia on the 8th of February and next day I landed in Kuwait, and the day I landed in Kuwait it started to rain in Kuwait. After 1 week I flew to Qatar, and in Qatar, the day I landed in Qatar, it started to rain in Qatar. A week later, I went to Pakistan, and the day I landed in Pakistan, it started to rain in Pakistan. And now today, I'm in Makkah, and Alhamdulillah, when I reached Makkah, and after I finished my tawaf, Alhamdulillah, it even started raining in Makkah. This is a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.